Home Remedies presents How to Grow Long Thick Hair with Fenugreek, World's Best Remedy for Hair Growth. The oil that I will share with you today works to stimulate hair growth, increase blood flow to scalp, nourish your hair strands. In addition to those amazing benefits, this blend can be used to soften hair strands, leading to decreased shedding and breakage. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds 2 tablespoons, coconut oil 1 tablespoon. Procedure: take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in mixer and grind to a powder. Transfer to a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to it. Mix the ingredients well and apply this paste on the roots of your hair. Let it dry for 10 minutes and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. You can use this remedy once a week for best results. Also, you can consume fenugreek seed extract supplements in order to achieve high level of hair growth naturally. One human study in 53 people evaluated the effect of a 300 mg daily oral dose of fenugreek seed extract over the course of 6 months. Over 80% of study participants who received the supplement exhibited significant improvements in hair growth and strength. If anyone would like to try, I will leave the link in the description. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.